Hey guys, this is Hamza from Crux Interfacing Solutions at this 2019 SEMA show. Today we're going to be showcasing our Apple CarPlay Android Auto interface for factory systems. Right here is an NTG5 system from Mercedes-Benz, and we're going to use a command knob to activate the CarPlay. So here's all the different apps that you can use, and you can scroll through your knob. Let's just say you want to go to, you want to use Google Maps, you can use Google Maps. If you want to, use Apple Music, you can use Apple Music. It's just, with the future, it's just more of a connected car, and to be able to have that for the aftermarket, it's a pretty great product. We also have this for BMW, Porsche, Audi, and Volkswagen systems. Apple CarPlay Android Auto interfaces with backup camera, front camera inputs.
Oh, I turned off.